My name is Mark Allison, Corporate Executive Chef at Forever Oceans. And today we're going to add something to your menu. We're going to take our warm tortilla, we're going to add our fish, we're going to add some slaw, a little bit of our sauce over the top. Then we've got some fresh avocado, some diced tomatoes, and instead of using peanuts, we've got some chickpeas that we're just going to sprinkle over the top, add a little bit of cilantro, a squeeze of lemon juice, and there we go, a beautiful fish taco to add to your menu.